Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new service that I have added onto my website freemediatools.com. So if you go to this website, I have added a new website, new service which is Instagram Fonts. So basically if you go to this, there will be a cool little application. Here you can just write any text, any name of yourself. Let's suppose I write the name here, and you will see instantly as you type the name in real time all these stylish fonts will be generated to you. You can see all this will be generated, and if you drag down, you can even use emojis as well, all these emojis for free, and click the load more fonts button, so it will load more fonts like this. So it has got unlimited stylish fonts for you for Instagram DM. So if you just pick any of it, you just need to copy it like this. Right click, click on copy, and then your emoji is copy, and then you can just paste it here. Let's suppose I open the Instagram, so you will see if I want to update the bio, you can just open like this, go to the profile section here, and here you can just edit it. So here you can just, inside this name section, you can just paste this. So if I just submit this, you will see now the profile is saved. So if I just refresh it, you will see it has successfully changed this name to this one. So now we are using this emoji here, a stylish fonts generator. So in this way you can just pick any of it, any, there are various kinds of fonts here. You will see if you pick this one, again the process is simple. You just copy this like this, copy, and if you want to replace it, you can even put this inside the description, like this. If I just paste it here, if I submit here, so you can put anywhere inside the name, inside the description. If I just show you, you can just go to your Instagram account, you can see it also works inside the description also. So this is a very handy tool that you can use. Go to the video description and go to this tool, freemediatools.com, Instagram font generator. So you can just replace your name, and instantly all these fonts will be generated for you. So you have seen these websites on the internet a lot, so you can see that. Please share this tool by this arrow buttons. You can share on Facebook, Twitter, and if you click this plus option, you can just load more social networks, and you can even search. Let's suppose I search for WhatsApp. You can even search, share this tool on WhatsApp with your friends. So this is a very handy tool. So if you like this tool, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment how is the tool, how is you are experiencing this tool. So thanks very much for watching this video.